Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by configuring the TI-84 for finance. Set display precision and clear RAM so old variables don't corrupt results. Once done, open the TVM solver via second plus X1. You'll enter N periods, I% annual rate, PV, PMT, and FV. Make sure the calculator is in the correct payment timing mode. You'll see BGN or END. If a value is unknown, leave it blank and use Calculate. This early setup prevents sign and timing errors as you proceed. Now you'll move to uneven cash flows and valuation. Enter each cash flow in the CF worksheet. CF0 then each CFN and its frequency. Once entered, press second plus NPV, type the discount rate as a %, and reference the cash flow list to calculate present value. To get the internal rate of return, use ER. Be aware it can produce multiple solutions if signs alternate. Make sure you review the sign convention and, if needed, adjust CF0 sign so results reflect real inflows and outflows. To finish, store any important outputs to a variable using SDO right arrow so you can reference results in later calculations. Once done, run scenario tests by tweaking I% or N to see sensitivity and confirm conclusions. If numbers look wrong, don't panic. Verify the calculator's mode, END vs BGN, recheck sign conventions for PV/PMT/FV, and if necessary perform a RAM reset. These final steps and that troubleshooting tip will get you reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.